If the speaker sound on your phone has become quiet, I'll now show you some tricks you need to try. First, open TikTok and type speaker cleaner in the search. Next, find video number 1283. Tap on it and turn the volume up to maximum. Your speaker will start to be cleaned, and dust and moisture will come out of it. After this, make one more adjustment. Open the main settings on your phone and go to the Sounds and Vibration section. Here, select the volume setting. In the top right corner, tap the three dots and choose Media Volume Limit. And here, you need to activate this setting. This will increase the speaker volume several times over, and make sure to move this slider all the way to the end. After this, restart your smartphone, and it will work louder because there will no longer be any debris or moisture inside. And the hidden setting increases its volume. Enjoy!